Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and taking the first power-saving actions. First, confirm your iPad model and iOS version. This matters because options vary by release. Back up to iCloud or your computer so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable low power mode and drop the screen brightness to about 50% or lower. The display is the largest battery drain. Make sure to close battery-hungry apps after checking their usage so you can target the worst offenders. Now you dig into detailed settings to extend runtime. Go to Settings General and disable Background App Refresh for apps that don't need constant updates. This stops hidden wake-ups. Then, in Mail settings, switch from push to fetch every 15 to 30 minutes or manual. That reduces network overhead. Also, make sure to turn off Bluetooth, limit location services to while using, and remove unnecessary widgets. Each service periodically wakes the device and drains battery, so trim them deliberately. Finish by locking in persistent improvements and checking health. Set auto lock to 30 or 60 seconds so the screen sleeps quickly, and enable dark mode if your iPad has an OLED display. Dark pixels use less power. Keep apps and iOS updated and enable optimized battery charging to reduce long-term degradation. If you still see abnormal drain, reset all settings to clear misconfigurations, and if that fails, contact Apple support for diagnostics. This often resolves hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.